Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I felt like doing a makeup play date with you guys. There has been a new things that I either hauled or wanted to share with you guys, or as now that I have all my stuff in boxes, I've been going through my boxes just to see what things I haven't been playing around with, what things I haven't really shown you guys. So today I just wanted to do a relaxed video, showcase some products that I have been wanting to show on camera but just haven't had the opportunity yet. So today we're going to use the Zulu palette because this was one of those palette bingos options and it didn't work out, so we're going to use that one today. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this orange as a transition. I'm going to put this in my inner corner and then this green in the center, and then use this one in my outer V to do a trio with orange on the top. So I'm going to do it to one eye and then we're going to do it to the other eye so you guys know what I'm doing. Now I am going to go ahead and do the same that I did on my lid on my lower lash line. I'm sorry you guys, I couldn't talk through that because we have people transitioning upstairs going to bed and there was too many footsteps for me to kind of chit chat with you guys on that, but it turned out so pretty. I didn't expect it. I was just playing around. So those are the colors that I did use out of this palette. I do want to keep playing with this. I think that this by far is one of my favorites just for the color scheme itself. So now for my liner in my inner waterline, it's going to be the aqua liner that I've been panning, that I have been obsessed with because it just goes with every single colorful look. Now, as usual, I am going to do mascara, my wing liner, and my lashes, and then I'm going to talk to you guys more and show you guys what else I have been playing around with. So for mascara, I played around with this one. This is that Sigma mascara that was sent to me for PR. This is the Sensuosity Lash. This is what the wand looks like. It's kind of like a curved one. This is the first time I'm trying it, but as far as first impressions go, I could tell it's a lengthening mascara. The wand itself is plastic and it's kind of stiff, and there's not much product that comes out on the wand itself, so very little product comes out here, and it's very difficult to get a nice coat because I have to keep going in there. I didn't get the curl that I like. I didn't get the volume that I like. I'm gonna keep playing around with this one, but so far for first impressions, I'm not digging that. Now let's go on with blush. This is a blush that I hauled and I love the blushes already, so I know this is a good one. This is Just Peachy from LA Girl, and I know I'm gonna like this. It is a matte. The formula is amazing on these. If you haven't tried them, for the price, these are really good blushes. These were my top favorite for 2017 and I still enjoy them. I still wear them. I love these. So this is a new addition and it is perfect. It kind of reminds me of what is that? Milani's Luminoso, just a little bit more darker, but it is matte. It is beautiful. Now for highlighter, I want to use this Anastasia Dream palette. Oh, the thing just kicked off. I think I'm gonna go with the shade. I didn't use any purple or pink, so I think I'm gonna go with this one called Wish, which is more like a taupey shade. So let's try this out. Has like a pinky hue to it. I did not expect that pinky hue, so I'm just gonna dab that. This is my first time playing around with it. I can tell you it is pigmented. I can see it. This is the type of palette that will accentuate any texture you have on here. I'm going to keep playing around with it to see how I like it so far. It's not bad, it's just I don't think this palette is for everyone just because of the texture situation with it. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to use this Colourpop Ultra Satin in London Fog. I think this will look super pretty. I am going to line my lips with my Bite Beauty liner that I am panning. Okay, so this is the final look, and I wanted to recap the things that I did use just to kind of give you sort of like a first impression, things that I've already used. First and foremost, this blush. I knew I was going to like it. I love the color of it. The formula is already amazing. I already know about it. So this is a really, really good one. I really enjoy that. The eyeshadow palette, I am such a fan of Juvia's Place. I own basically all their palettes that they ever come out with. This one's by far my favorite summer one just because of the bright shades in it. I love how the look turned out. It didn't look muddy. It wasn't hard for me to blend out. Mixing a shimmery shade with a matte in here was not a problem at all. I didn't have to build any of the shades up so far, and I didn't have to foil them. I used them just the way that they were, and they came out very vibrant. So I will keep playing around with this because I know that there's other shades that I haven't tried yet, but I know I like that. Now for the Dream palette by Anastasia. I knew this was duochrome, and I heard that it was glittery just by playing around with it today. I know this isn't for everyone because of the glitter. I can see that it'll accentuate things in here. This is in your everyday palette because these are not obviously your practical shades, but it is beautiful. It is really, really pretty. It's great inner corner highlighting. I didn't do that today because I am using the yellow one. Actually, let's go with this one and just do the inner corner to see how it really pops. I used Sunshine Wet, and look how pretty that looks in the inner corner. That's why I love these so much. It just gives it a nice dimensional look to the inner corner as well as the final look. It looks now my eye look looks finished because now I have shimmer, matte. It just looks amazing. I love it. So again, this is not going to be for everyone. I'm going to keep playing around with it just so you guys get my final thoughts on it. And the last product that I used today that was kind of new was this mascara by Sigma. First impression, I'm not a fan of it, but I'm gonna have to keep playing around with it, especially without lashes, to see if it really does curl my lashes, separates, does it show. I know this seems like to be a lengthening mascara, and it is not a goopy type of formula. It seems like it's a very thin minimal type of mascara, so we'll keep playing around with it to see what I end up thinking about that. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup play date. Stay tuned for more products. These will be probably featured in future either favorites, worth it or worthlesses, because I'm bringing back that series now that I have new products, and I can give you now haul updates on this stuff. But I will link all the products down in the description box that I use. Thank you guys so much for watching and for joining me for makeup play date. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.